You won't waste your life if you understand that every problem is an opportunity. If a problem that you have is that you have too much free time, you don't know what to do, you spend too much time on your phone, that's an opportunity to do something else. If you don't have a lot of money, if you're tired all the time, if you're not strong, if you feel like you're weak, that's an opportunity to change those things. Use this opportunity right now. The fact that you're watching this short little video in this nice environment, use that opportunity to change, to do something. Identify yourself as someone who does these things, who takes advantage of the opportunities and doesn't let the problems drag them down. Start small on these ideas, make it really easy to do, and just view your goals day by day. What can you do today to make it count? Use what you have around you to your advantage. Life is meant to be enjoyed. Make it count, try new things. See you later.